Hey guys, Leif here from iTech. Today I'm going to show you how you can prepare your Konica Minolta bizhub for embedded applications like PaperCut and others. So first thing we're going to do is to log into the web interface and type in your IP address of the device. And I'm going to hit log out here at the top. I'm going to log in as administrator. Default password is 12345678. 12345678. And first thing we're going to do is go into security, PKI settings, device certificate setting. And you may already have a certificate in here, but I'm just going to step you through and how to create it from scratch. So in this case, to start again, we're going to go highlight the certificate that is there, go into setting, remove the certificate, hit OK on that. We're then going to go to new registration. To create and install a self-signed certificate, hit OK. Type in something in these values. It doesn't matter what you type in there, but you have to put something in there. I'm going to put in QLD AU. I'm going to type in an email address, and you put in a validity period. I normally set it to 3650, which is 10 years, 3650. And this is important, encryption type. Make sure that you use SHA2, the highest. I normally pick this one here, RSA. If you pick SHA1, you're basically going to lose connection to your web browser because it's below the minimum required. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to hit OK. And I've now got the certificate created. Next thing we're going to do is go into the next one down here, so in the PKI settings, enable SSL version. We're going to change this to either admin mode or admin and user mode. I normally pick the bottom one. Leave the TLS to 1.2 to 1.3. Hit OK. OK. Then you get this warning up because it's now using HTTPS. So I go hide advanced and proceed. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is go into network settings. So I go back twice, go into network settings, and we're going to go into, scroll down a bit, TCP socket setting, and we're going to tick this one, use SSL TLS. Leave the port number as it is and hit OK. You do get a warning that says you must restart the machine, but technically if I just refresh the page, it will allow me to continue without restarting the device. We're now going to go into network again and scroll down a little bit to open API setting, and open API setting. We're going to change this to SSL only, and make sure that the port number for SSL is set as it is here. Hit OK. And next we're going to go back into security. And we're going to go to certificate verification settings. And we're going to make sure that that is off. It is in my case off, but if it's on, you turn this off. Just click on it to make it off and hit OK. And we're going to go one last thing now, and that's also in network setting, and it's under web browser. Scroll down, and web browser setting. Make sure that that's on, and the bottom here, SSL certificate verification settings. It'll still work with this, but it'll pop up with an annoying warning if you don't do this. So we're going to say connect to the contents without a pop-up display on both of these. Hit OK, and we can now log out, and we are now ready for the embedded application. That's it.